Hello everyone, Augustine here. Welcome to my channel, and this is how to do the L chain. You start with do swing cut like this, okay, and put the rest of the pile like this, okay. But before you put this pile on your palm, okay, secretly, okay, you just slide the bottom card like this, okay, and you put the bottom card under this package and you display it like this. Okay, so this is the position. Right now the bottom card is right under this package, okay, and the rest you put like this and you can display like so. And to do the chain, you just lift this pile and immediately you just push the bottom card with your finger like this. You come back, put the pile on your pinky palm and you just close. Okay, so one more time. Okay, swing cut. Okay, slide the bottom card, okay, like this, put it under the top pile and display like this. Lift this package and immediately push the bottom card like this, of course with a shake. And after that you put again this package like this and you close. Okay, so okay, swing cut, okay, slide and display like this. Okay, this package, okay, shake and do the chain, put back again like this and close. Okay, so one more time. Okay, swing cut, okay, slide and put it, display and do the chain and put back, display like this. And if you want it, you can put your finger right here and you just remove the card that you already chained. And of course, if you perform this on a real life performance, you can hand out this to the spectator for examination. Okay, that's it guys, that's L chain.